Here is an old cassette tape recorder in which we will be presenting playback of a recording made on this unit using a Sony F96 low impedance dynamic microphone once this tape gets rewound. Bear with the rewinding, but I can always pause and start back on the video. You can see how the form factor is on this unit. It doesn't even have an earphone jack, even though it has space for one. Right there you can tell that it's built down to a price. It does boast mic and remote, however. The unit also boasts a stowaway carry handle. But it feels so cheap, On the other side, it boasts a 6-volt external power input. Let's hear this unit playback. Welcome, this is take 2 of a very special recording on a very special machine. This recording is being conducted on the Aircastle cassette tape recorder, model number unknown. The country of manufacture of this recorder is none other than Japan, but the theme of this recorder is obviously American in nature, sporting red, white, and blue coloring, and the control knob for the tape transport is in none other than the shape of a star, a 5-pointed star. Today's date is the 16th of February of the fantastic year of 2017, or 2017, and I'm currently making some rice to make black beets and rice, but it will probably not have Funyuns because I'm too bloody lazy to prepare the Funyuns, but at least it'll have some good black beans and rice. Let's see how this recording comes out. That last tape recording you have heard was made. You can hear how weak that is, so I'm going to fast forward to a take 2 of a closer to microphone spoken recording. But literally it's almost drowned out by DC bias background noise. That is sad. Okay, this is another take. I'm now making a recording where I'm speaking up close. You see in the last recording I played, I was speaking at a distance from the mic to show the sensitivity of the machine, how it would pick up my voice, but now I'm speaking at about 4 inches away from the microphone. And the thing is, I made an earlier recording, but it was not getting as good electrical connection, and the recording itself was weak and was almost drowned out by the extreme DC bias background noise of this recorder. So now now it should be making a recording more clearly with me, well, clearly, quote, quote, except aside from my distorted DC bias a more loud recording, that is. You see, I've had this recorder for several years. I acquired it in either 2010 or 2011, but never made a YouTube video of it until today. Isn't that insane? So I'm in Arkansas for a short period of time before taking a plane ride back to Massachusetts. You see, my mom wanted me to come over here and help get some of my nonsense packed away and into storage and things like that to help clear out the house because I have too much crap. So this recorder was amongst the things that would be packed away, and later on, once I have my own place, because right now I'm just renting a single room at a house. Once I have my own place, hopefully with a basement where I can set my stuff up. This recorder and many of its compadres will be put into boxes and packed away. And since this machine was amongst the ones that would be packed away, I figured I will grab this opportunity to make a presentation video of this machine before it gets packed away. Now, I probably won't have any music demonstrations on this machine simply because, well, I don't have an attenuator cord on hand, because those are up in Massachusetts, and I am not there right now. So, oh, come on, I want to burp. Come on, dang it. Oh, you know, it's a feeling like you almost got a burp ready, but not quite. And then you fail. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this DC bias recording. Here's the transport view. Notice when I go into playback, it only puts one head out. You can see that this unit has a record, playback, and then a permanent magnet for erase. So if I go into record mode, this is hard to do with one freaking hand. Very hard. And so I use my pinky to push the record button. The only problem is you have to really press hard on that thing. And then you can see it engages the permanent magnet. I hope you enjoyed this video of the Aircastle model number unknown cassette tape recorder.